Good morning all of you. Now we are in the section that multiplication of algebraic expressions. So how we multiply a monomial by another monomial, that we discussed. Anyway, some more questions related with that. Take exercise questions 9.2, 9.2, fourth question we can discuss. Fourth and fifth question. Okay. The question is obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. We want to find out the volume of a rectangular box. Its dimensions are given 5a, first example 5a, 3a square, 7a raised to 4. Okay, length, breadth and height is given like this. So, we know how to find the volume of a rectangular box. For finding volume, we want to multiply length into breadth into height. So, here we want to multiply 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to 4. So, that we want to do 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to 4. So, here first we can multiply the coefficients first. 5 into 3 into 7. Okay, 5 into 3 into 7. Okay, then multiply the variables a into a square into a raised to 4. Okay, so 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 7, 105. So the answer will be 105. The coefficient of the volume answer that will be 105. Then what will be the variables power? A into a square into a raised to 4. Using the exponents law, we can find out what will be the power of this a. It will be 1. Okay, so a raised to 1 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, so it will be 7. So the answer is 105 a raised to 7. Okay, so that one to clear. Here we are adding the powers. In the case of variables powers, we want to add the powers to find the product. So first you multiply the coefficients 5 into 3 into 7, then multiply the variables a into a square into a raised to 4. For that we use the exponents law. So it will be a raised to 1 plus 2 plus 4. So a raised to 7. Just like what will be the volume of this rectangular box with the dimensions xy, 2x square y and 2xy square. It will be multiply that xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. Okay, so here also we are multiplying the numerical coefficients. So here it is 1 xy. Here no coefficients is mentioned, so that will be 1. 1 into 2 into 2. Okay, so it will be 4 itself. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4. The coefficient will be 4. Then what will be the power of x? Here x raised to 1. X square x raised to 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So x raised to 4. Then take the variable y and take its power. Y raised to 1. Here also y raised to 1. Here 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2. It will be 4. So y raised to 4. Simply we can write this. 4 into x raised to 4 into y raised to 4. Next, if the dimensions are a, 2b and 3c, here also we are multiplying the coefficients first. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. Next, the variables are without any powers, only with the variables with the powers 1. All variables are with the powers 1. So it will be 6a, b, c. This way we can find out the volume of any rectangular box with the given dimensions if it is in algebraic form. Next question, find the product of the following. Find the product of different questions are given. X, y, y, z, z, x. X, y, y, z, z, x. Okay, how we can find out the product? So it will be x, y into y, z into z, x. So it will be, and take the power of x. So that we can multiply this x, y into y, z into z, x. How many times x? 1 and 2. So x into x. Okay, xy means x into y. yz means y into z, and zx means z into x. So first we take the variable x, then what will be its power? Here 1 and here also another 1. So it will be 1 plus 1, 2x square. X into x we know, that is x square. And y also same, y with the power y into 1, y raised to 1 into y raised to 1. Y into y will be y square. Just like z also, x square, y square, z square will be the product. Another question, xy, no, a, first a, then minus a square, then a cube. So what will be this? A into minus a square into a cube. We have to find out the product. So here also the coefficient is 1, and what will be the power of a? So here it is not what will be the coefficient? Here it is 1. 1 into minus 1 into 1. So the coefficient will be minus 1. So 1 we can avoid, only write the sign minus. Then a raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3. A raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it will be 6. So minus a raised to 6. Okay. Then another question. Find the product of 2, 4, 8y square and 16y cube. Okay. So here also we want to find out the product. So for finding product we can use the multiplication sign. So find out the product. So first we find out the product of the coefficients. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 8, 64. 64 we are multiplying with 16. Okay. (1024). Coefficient will be 1024. Then what will be the variable part? Here no variables. Here y square and here y cube. So y raised to 2 plus 3. So mostly common mistake will happen. You will write 2 into 3. Here also powers also you will multiply. That want to care. Powers always for finding the product of the variables. Powers we are finding their sum. Okay, add the powers of the sum. So powers of that variables. So y raised to 2 plus 3. So y raised to 5 will be the answer. That all of you want to care. When we find out y square into y cube, it is not y raised to 6. It is y raised to 2 plus 3. That is 5. 5 raised to 5. So this way you can find out. We can find out the product of any algebraic expression. Here all algebraic expressions are monomial. Now how we can multiply a binomial with a monomial? That type question also we can discuss. Now it is easy how to multiply each monomials. If it is a more monomials also it will be very easy. Now how we can multiply a monomial by another binomial? Okay, so one question is given, minus 3x into minus 5y plus 2. So for multiplying this, here one expression is minus 3x, that is a monomial. Then next algebraic expression is minus 5y plus 2, it is a binomial. So how we can multiply this? This is also very simple. First we multiply the first term of the second expression with this minus 3x. So first write minus 3x we multiply with minus 5y. Okay, so minus 3x into minus 5y, that we are multiplying, plus next minus 3x multiply with 2, minus 3x plus 2. After that we find out the sum of these two. So minus 3x into minus 5, both are negative, so product will be positive. Then 3 into 5, 15. Then variables are x, y. Okay. Then here plus minus 3x plus not plus, here what is minus 3x we are multiplying. Okay, minus 3x into 2. Okay, first minus 3x multiply with minus 5y plus, then minus 3x multiply with 2, minus 3x into 2. So what is its product? Minus 3x into 2, it is minus 6x. Okay, now can we add this together? Are they like terms or unlike terms? Both are unlike terms. So last answer we can write it as 15xy plus minus 6x. So simply we can write it as 15xy minus 6x. So this way we can multiply any binomial with one monomial. Another question, 5xy. One more question we can discuss. Then remaining questions we can do very easily. Other 5m into 3 minus m. How we can multiply this 5m with 3 minus. So first we multiply 5m multiply with 3. 5m into 3. What is the sign here? Minus. So this put in a bracket. Then write this sign. Next 5m multiply with m. 5m into m. Okay. So 5m into 3 it will be 15m minus 5m into m, it is 5m square. Okay. So the answer is 15m minus 5m square. This way we can multiply any monomial with another binomial. Okay. Thank you.